Hello YouTube, this is Samiboost back with you with another video. This particular one is going to be about the Figs oil cooler that's right here in the front. Remember the RR Racing ones that I'm used to having are over here. The Figs one is literally up and down right where the fog light is. So they usually run something like this. The oil cooler kit comes with her with a little scoop that comes through the fog light. I didn't like the way it looked initially, so I put the 2014 fog lights back on. This little video is going to show me putting it all back, because definitely tried it at the track just with the oil cooler without air going into it. Yeah, and it gets the 5 bar. So and I mean, I kind of knew that was going to happen. I did put a little hole right here just to get some air, but yeah, it needs to have it. So I'm gonna make like I said, a video of taking the bumper off and then showing how it looks with that installed and whatnot. Okay, so be right back. Okay guys, so this is the how it looks all naked. Took the bumper off because I was playing with a couple of these brackets on the bottom, but that's gonna be your Figs oil cooler, and those are the pieces that you need to finish it off, which I've removed, but I'm gonna put it back on. So I like this piece because I mean, this is all aluminum, but it stops it here, and more air will draw up into here. So any air that comes through will come into the filter instead of going past it into the fender liner and going through it. It stops it here and forces the air to go back into the filter that you see up there. So I like that. So anyway. But yeah, that's how it looks. This is what I want to show y'all. I'm going to put those pieces back on. I'm going to paint that right there, so when you're seeing from the outside with the bumper on, all you see is black. You don't see the silver piece right there. And that's it guys. That's the RR Racing transmission cooler. I moved it this way as much as possible. Protected the lines a little bit with this stuff. And yep. So that's how that is. Usually on my other car I had the RR Racing oil cooler right here, and then the transmission cooler was right there. So this one, oil cooler is right over there. 2 lines run through, under, to the factory oil cooler that is water cooled on the bottom. But yeah guys, that's it. I'm gonna put this on and let y'all see how it looks. Well, there she is guys, buckled up. And then this is the part that protrudes towards the fog light. You know, just flush with that little cover. So all you'll see is just a hole going in. There is the cooler. Alright, be back. Alright guys, so yeah, with the new scoop painted up, that's how it looks like. That's your Figs oil cooler in there, and that's how it looks with the basically the aluminum piece got painted. I just did it like a matte black, satin black, and put that in there. So that's how that looks. So I went ahead and put the bumper on, and so now I'm ready for the track when it comes to that. And then on the other side, remember I used to have the fog lights here, but I took off the 2014 fog lights and then doing that. And since I'm not running a fog light here, I thought it looked ugly just running another fog light on the other side. So what I ended up doing is I capped it off like that right there. Took a piece of plastic, fitted it in, cut it to place, and then I wrapped it with the same color. So that's how that looks. So I think it looks clean and done. And you know, you save a little bit of weight, but not really for the weight. I just thought it looks weird with the fog light and no fog light. So that's it guys. That's the Figs oil cooler, and that's all installed the way I feel like it's the best. Remember, I was having issues with it getting too hot at the track, so now that should take care of that problem. Alright guys, if you got any other questions, let me know, and I'll go ahead and answer them for you if I can. See you on the next one.